Alright, welcome back. Shockwaves Labs, round 2.
What?
Wheeljacks toolbox versus No Mercy Nemesis.
I'm coming in like a viper.
Rawr.
Hard.
Uh-oh. This is looking good for me.
Murderous. Alright, that's me?
Yep.
Alright, I'm gonna draw a card. Blam. I can play no things.
Yep.
I'm gonna swing Lionizer.
Wait.
Oh, I'm gonna transform.
Yay!
Jesus Christ. Yeah. Swing
Small
Lionizer.
victories.
I know,
Small
right?
victories. This is a match that Nick wins.
I was just gonna say that right there is what it does.
I know, right?
Does he transform?
At Firefly, because I have to.
Yes.
I don't want to.
Good
But I do
swing.
have to.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7 goes in, was it 5?
Yeah.
Damn, that was a good swing.
Pop out.
5 damage.
Oh.
Alright, so it's me.
Yes, sir.
Let's draw a card. Whoop. Alright, let's drop the field communicator on Prowl. So resolve the
Cheater! Cheating!
resolve the communicator first.
So I'm getting ahead of it.
That's not good.
Oh, to play a multi-tool on Wheeljack. We will not play an extra action. Now his ability kicks off twice, so the first time we'll draw with Prowl, to draw a card, scrap a card, and then the second time for the second upgrade to draw a card, and then scrap a card. Yes, I'm learning. I'm learning.
Yes! Oh, funny. Fixing our mistakes. Hilarious.
I just still hurt to the or the sacrificial blah blah blahs.
What are you doing? What's going on?
Sacrifice.
Yeah, because Prowl's Prowl can swing a lot harder than Firefly. So yeah, we will leave RC. We'll transform Firefly. Gets +1, so he has 4 more damage counters on him. Throw him in the Lionizer for 3, 6.
And 3.
Nice.
I have to solve your cat problem. It is totally unworthy.
Ah!
No!
That's right.
Not my kitty.
That's right.
No!
I really hammered that pussy.
Oh, God.
I had to be said.
Yeah, someone had to say it. Someone had to say it.
Alright, you done?
Yes.
Alright, that's me.
Yes.
Draw a card.
Yes.
Transform that guy.
Yes. Sorry.
You're fine.
Transform!
Shit. It's a whole bunch of nonsense garbage.
Supercharge.
That's all I got.
Okay.
I guess someone targets that fella.
Good swing. 9 goes into 7. 7's enough.
He did.
He's dead.
Well, I told you he did.
Told you, didn't you? Alright. It's me. Let's draw a card. Alright, so let's get back into the counting business. Let's play a upgrade on Prowl.
I gotta say, that deck
Resolve
is
this.
aptly named.
No, I know. We'll resolve the multi-tool first to play a flamethrower on RC. No, we'll actually overwrite the flamethrower, or the multi-tool with the flamethrower. Alright, and then that's done, that's resolved. So now we will resolve the first card that was played on him to draw a card. We'll scrap a card. And then the second time we'll draw a card. Ooh. Draw a card, scrap a card, and then we will play. We'll play Confidence to draw 2, scrap 2. Alright, done. Everything's done.
Don't play
now
an extra action off confidence?
I do not play an extra action of confidence.
Okay.
Transform Proud. Swing at Demolisher for 5, bolt 2. 1, 2, bolt 1, bolt 2. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Defense 4 takes 5.
Takes 5. Shit! I knew I forgot to do something. Oh, that's my own fault.
Hurts, huh?
Yeah.
It hurts.
No. Yeah, no, I should have done my transforms I did wrong. I should have left Prowl as he was and transform RC, then I should have transformed Wheeljacks my next turn. But, well, sir.
Well. Alright, this guy?
Yep.
Alright. Card. Ooh, that's neat.
That's something.
Guess. Let's put that there.
Yep.
Because that just feels fun.
Mm-hmm.
It's very becoming.
And you get to swing through. It's fresh. Well, I'm phoning a friend here. What do you think, James? Yay or nay? I'm thinking nay.
I'm thinking nay, man.
Okay, just double checking. I wanted a second opinion. All right.
I feel bad for saying it, but I
Yeah,
feel like
no,
nay.
yeah. Okay. Swinging in, I'm my only target. So swinging 4. 7, bolt 3. 2 more. Bolt 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 13.
13, Jesus. 13 goes to 11. 11 damage. He's out of here.
Get that shit out of here.
Yep. I think that cost me the game. Shit. Oh, well, it's alright. It's me.
Yep.
Draw a card. Let's transform. Who's going to do more damage? Probably Wheeljack. Let's drop a grenade launcher and RC. Let's drop an equipment enthusiast to draw 2 cards.
Oh, no, you gotta swing through. Jesus.
Yeah. Alright. Coming in at Nemesis for 6, 7, 8, 9 damage coming at Nemesis.
Alright. It's Pierce, right?
No, it's
No,
not.
it's 9 damage.
Yeah, no, because I messed up my transforms.
Oh.
I should have transformed her instead of Prowl.
7, stays at 7.
But 7's still a hefty amount of damage.
No, yeah.
Yeah. We'll see.
Wheeljack coming in for 1, 2, white, pip, bold 1, bold 2, bold 3. Damn. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
So 12 turns into 10.
Which is enough.
9.
9's still
9
enough.
still enough.
Yep, 9, 7, 16 is just enough.
Just
Yeah, that your flip error did not cost you the game, I don't think. I don't know. I mean, we're back in that
Reset.
same.
Yeah, we're back in the
last
same
time
boat.
Where depending on how his flips go, he could take this.
Yeah. It's all up in the air now.
That's me?
Mm-hmm.
No card.
We're both like, oh shit.
Oh no, but then I can't do that. Okay. Huh. Okay. Ah, shit. Can't do that though. Fuck me. Alright, so I play triple focus fire on Lionizer.
Damn.
Whoa. You want that kill?
With bolt 10, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you're totally gonna bolt 10, yes.
Alright, throwing bolt 10 at Wheeljack.
Okay.
Oh, you think I should kill RC?
Well, yeah, because you get that kill guaranteed. And
and he's got to swing at him.
And then
so
gives you the weapon for demolition to try and grab it.
no, totally. You're right. RC.
That's why I was a little shocked about the bold 6 on him, because I was like, oh, well, okay.
I just thought I could do enough damage to actually kill him.
It's your call. Your
Yeah, it's your game, dude.
Your
Yeah,
game,
you
not
do what
mine.
you want.
You do what you want to do.
Yeah. No, yours is the safer play. But I thought I could do. Well, I guess we'll count it up. We'll see. I'll do the safe thing, but we'll see if I had enough to kill him.
Okay.
So flipping the first one. Reset. I mean, he's in the KO pile, so I can put like a card underneath one of these guys for 3, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's not enough abilities to get bonus damage for it.
Ah,
Yeah, see?
that's lame.
You want me to put the hammer down?
Oh no! Don't put the hammer down.
Alright.
I'll hang on a little longer.
And then bolt 10.
Yep.
Yes. 10. 11, 12. Wouldn't have killed him.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah.
In my head, the math wasn't adding up for a kill. I'm like, no.
Yeah, you called it.
So 12.
Yeah.
12 goes into. Oh wait.
I would have had at least one white hip.
Okay, I should have shuffled my deck ages ago.
Well, I looked at it like this. He's got 0 start. If you're flipping 10 card, or you're flipping 10, bolt 10, you're flipping 12. That's 12 if you absolutely flip 100% everything's in orange. And with that being the case, you'd still need to get 2 extra out of it, and without him flipping a single blue.
Yeah. No. I mean, wrath of the math.
I mean, it's not impossible, but I just didn't think it was.
Bye, RC.
No, I was gambling. I was gambling.
Let's draw a card.
See, I was a rambling man, not a gambling man.
Oh, I
Let's
see.
transform him. Let's drop a bashing shield on him.
Man, you keep setting up for that defense each time we get to this point in the game.
Oh yeah.
No.
Let's draw a card.
I mean, it's the right thing to do, but for some reason it irritates me that
You're like, you
Why?
bitch.
Because he's sandbagging Wheeljack's attack, which is why he's there, just to get the extra defense. He's like,
I guess. I mean, I do it. That's the smart thing.
Right, no, I'm saying it's
You
the
just
right
like
thing.
it.
Yeah, I'm just mad at you doing it. Like, it is the right play. It's the play I would do, but fuck you for doing it. Like, how dare you?
Oh, that's funny.
Oof. I think I have to.
Do you?
I think I have to leave him in bot mode. So
Why?
I leave him in here. I swing for 5, 6, 7, possibly.
Yeah.
7. I mean, if I get exactly enough, then
If he gets one blue,
then he survives.
if he gets one blue, that could be trouble
I
for you.
yeah. Oh, my flips too. Because it's not all orange. I do have blues in here.
Right. You trying to play it safe?
Yeah.
I gotcha.
Which kind of sucks.
Like we were just talking about playing safe the other direction.
All right,
you
so
know?
1, 2. Oh, I guess.
Really, I affected him with my.
1, 2, 3. All right, so we're swinging 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Let me come at you.
Let's see if he gets a blue, because then this was the right choice.
Yeah. Oh no. Yeah, well.
Well, you played it safe.
Yeah, play safe.
Boop.
But now Demolisher will demolish your safety.
No.
He cares not for safety protocol.
He does not care for safety protocol.
Damn.
Does not give a damn. Sorry, this is just checking in.
Yes. Trigger hunt?
Unexpected. Good treasure hunt.
Yeah, good hunt.
I mean, not that it helps, but
Yeah.
yeah. No, I was fishing for
A protocol or something.
Yep.
Yeah, you keep getting no support on that final swing here.
I know, right? I don't know what's going on. It's one way or the other. It's
Yeah.
like, either way. So let's swing for the fences and hope for the best.
Yeah. You don't plan anything?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. All right. So first 2. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
No.
Again.
11, so it goes to 9.
Yeah.
Really the extra
And that's
support.
Murder Town.
Yep, Murder Town.
Murder Town.
Reset, draw a card. Launcher.
And dead.
Yeah, and blah.
And if I had enough support.
2, 1,
Yeah, he
2,
keeps just
3,
it peters out.
9, 10,
Yeah,
11,
I guess
12,
I gotta
13,
figure out how to
14,
put more.
15 damage hitting them.
Is it card draw?
No.
Or is it just I need more offensive actions?
I think you need more offensive action.
Yes.
I think because like you said it was like 12 versus
9
or something. I don't know. What
Well, it's a double play that you need.
Yeah,
action.
that's why I try to run close to 2020 as I can every deck because I want to make sure I can always do 2 plays.
Yeah,
2 plays,
action.
2 plays.
Yep.
Now it doesn't always work because cards are cards, and if you have 20 of each, then you can easily get 10 of one in the pocket. It happens, but I try to make sure it's as possible.
Anyways, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time, guys.
Shockwaves Lab, the only channel with special guest star Nick.
Yeah, boo, boo, boo. Come on. Thanks, James.